Ever pondered on the possibility of earning passive income without dipping your toes into the stock market or real estate? Well, it's completely achievable. Today we'll explore some ingenious ways to start cultivating your income stream right from the comfort of your home. Before we dive in, take a moment to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below. It helps us create more content tailored for you. First on our list is creating an online course or ebook. If you're an expert in a particular field, why not share your knowledge with the world? The joy of this idea is that after the initial work of creating and setting up your course or ebook, the income can continue to flow in with minimal effort on your part. Next, consider starting a blog or a podcast. These platforms allow you to share your thoughts, experiences, and expertise with a global audience. Through advertising and sponsorships, these platforms can become a steady source of income. Thirdly, affiliate marketing offers a great avenue for passive income. By promoting products or services that you believe in, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Fourthly, peer-to-peer lending platforms are an excellent alternative to traditional investments. By lending your money to individuals or small businesses, you can earn interest over time. Lastly, consider creating an app or a software product. If you have a knack for technology and a unique idea, developing an app or software could provide a steady stream of income long after the initial work is completed. To summarize, we've discussed 5 potential sources of passive income that don't involve the stock market or real estate. We've looked at creating an online course or ebook, starting a blog or podcast, affiliate marketing, peer-to-peer lending, and creating an app or software product. Passive income is not a myth, but a reality that requires strategic planning, a bit of creativity, and the will to make it work. Each of these ideas offers a unique path to financial freedom, allowing you to earn money while you sleep, travel, or spend time with your loved ones. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, so take that step today and start creating your streams of passive income. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below. We appreciate your feedback and would love to hear about your journey towards passive income. Thanks for listening. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep achieving.